According to Webster's dictionary, the word concoction is a noun, meaning a mixture of various ingredients or elements. The word southern is an adjective, meaning living or originating from the South. And based upon this linguistical expertise, this is a Southern concoction. Howdy y'all, I am Chet Garner, and this is the Texan Table, where we look at, taste, review some of the best products made right here in the Lone Star State. I don't know if y'all have noticed or not, but it's been a hot one.
I'm baking like a toasted cheese here. It's so hot here.
And so I have a product right here that's gonna help you cool down. I got the margarita kit from Southern Concoctions, and let's see what's inside of this bad boy. We have 2 of their glass jarred cocktail kits, a margarita glass, a shot jigger, strainer, some lime juice. All right, so this company was started by a couple friends right here in Georgetown, Texas. They loved cocktails, all the flavors of them, but they wanted to make a healthier option that didn't include artificial junk, artificial flavors, artificial additives, artificial ingredients. They create these ready-to-mix cocktail kits. They're these glass jars. They have about 9 different cocktails. We have here their sweet Southern Palm, and over here, their cucumber jalapeno. So these cocktail kits come ready for mixing. And to show y'all what's inside, I thought we would dump one out and take a look.
Oh, I wouldn't do that. I really wouldn't.
They got in there somewhere. It's like a ship in a bottle. What the heck's going on? All right, look at it. You see, this is all real stuff. We got some apples, some oranges, dried cherries, we got dried pomegranate, and then this is agave nectar glass. Solidified agave nectar, and what could be more appropriate, but it's in the shape of the state of Texas.
Next time you should just read the ingredient list.
Oh, it's on the thing. I had to see it with my own hands, Daniel.
Right.
Let's see if we can get him to go back. Back in. Let's see how this cucumber jalapeno goes. Ooh, what is that? We got dried pineapple, dried jalapenos, we got some cilantro, some lime, more agave nectar. And so all of this stuff comes here in the jar. Go, I'm losing the flavors, no! Now this allows me to get some of that natural flavors of wood as well.
At one point we had a dog on that table.
It's been clean though, right?
I didn't clean it.
Adds to the flavor.
That's disgusting.
So you get the jars, then you pick out the liquor of your choice. Since this is a margarita kit, I figure we would go with tequila. But you don't have to use tequila. You can use whiskey, you can use vodka, all kinds of different stuff. And if you want to make a non-alcoholic version, you can also put in boiling water. Here's the hard part. If you make these when you're thirsty, you gotta wait, because these need to sit in your fridge for about 3 days. But good news for y'all, and for me, I knew I was making this video, so I put some in 3 days ago.
The boy has no patience.
Dun-dun. Look at that.
A little darker.
You can tell, it started to absorb all the colors and the flavors, the fruit, the jalapeno, the pineapple, it's all started to rehydrate.
See what it tastes like.
The margarita kit comes with a little strainer. We're just gonna pour some of it here into this cup. So this is the sweet Southern Palm. Here we go, cheers, y'all. Oh, that's good. That right there is delicious. It's picked up the sugar. Oh gosh, the sweetness. There's the apple rind in there. It's got kind of a delicious, sort of festive flavor to it, but that's gonna be dangerous because you know what this is. Straight tequila with color and flavor in it.
You should be careful.
What you might want to do, throw a little bit of ice in there for it and sparkling water. Oh, salute, y'all. Oh, that's good. That's good. This was a margarita kit, so I figure we better try the margarita.
Well, we're waiting.
Check this out. Came with his own little cup. We're gonna need a little bit of a tahini rim though, I do believe. We're gonna measure out our tequila. I'm gonna actually measure this one. All right, we're gonna do 1.5 ounces, which is the top part of this jigger here. Here we go, right on top. And all that color is coming from natural stuff, which is cool. It's coming from the fruit, the agave nectar, all the rinds. You know, rinds are where the vitamin C is. What I'm pretty sure, now I'm no scientist, is that when you drink this Southern Concoctions liquor, it has 500 times the vitamin C of traditional tequila. If traditional tequila has 0 and that has 1, it's actually infinity times.
I'm not a smart man.
It's gotta be. It's gotta be. It's your vitamins. All right, we're gonna cut this one with the water as well. We're gonna give it just a little bit of hit of some lime. Salud. That's good. It's amazing how all it did was sit and steep in the fruit, and then it's unflavored sparkling water, and it has so much flavor in it.
Well, I'm sold.
So if y'all want to find these guys, you can find them at southernconcoctions.com. They're also available at a few select retailers here in Central Texas. Level up your cocktail game, y'all. Cheers. This is a concoction I could sip on all day. Ah.